And, you know, there's those times in your life where you go, you know, there's probably an easier way. So I have this Voron 2.4 printer here, and over the years it's taken a beating. The heat bed, the coating on the heat bed has been burned and it's bubbled. It's got all sorts of issues. So today I'm going to be removing the old covering from the flexible steel heat plate and replacing it with new material from 3M. So we're going to show you how to do that. All right, so here's the old flex plate. You know, this guy's magnetized, just goes in here. But over the years of printing, you can see there's actually some lines from a really overheated extrusion that I did that literally melted the covering. And then it's a little hard to see, but maybe you can see those little bubbles in there. This sheet is gonzo. So we are going to replace it with this 3M material, and hopefully this is the right stuff. I got this, I think, on Amazon at some point, and I just haven't put it on yet. So we're going to give this a shot. I think the general process is going to be, we're going to try to scrape this off with a razor blade, peel it off, maybe with a heat gun, and then we're going to clean it really good with denatured alcohol, and then we're going to very carefully apply this self-adhesive plastic. All right, so the first thing I'm going to try is I'm just going to try and lift up an edge of this sheet and see if I can get it to start coming off without any other heat or things. This stuff is on there tight. I got an edge up off of it. All right, that's very stiff. So this blade has a little oil on it. What I might do now is I'm going to try using a heat gun. We'll see how that works. Well, at this point, it is a mess. My fingers hurt. I'm about maybe 70% complete with removing this adhesive from the metal sheet. And, you know, there's those times in your life where you go, you know, there's probably an easier way. So I'm guessing there's an easier way. I'm going to continue going with this way because I just feel like I need to write it out and just increase the pain so I'll never do this again. So yeah, let's just forge ahead. So here we are. We're done with the sheet. I ended up using a credit card to put it on the plate, and the various little plastic devices I was trying to use didn't work out well. The back side of the sheet is what I chose to use because the front side that I had scraped all the glue off of was just destroyed pretty much. After putting it on, there was still quite a fair amount of bubbling and stuff, but I think that's fairly normal. So here we are printing our first test piece. And the test piece had excellent grip. It was very tight onto that plate. There's the finished piece. And then here's some close-up pictures of what the surface looks like now. It's actually extremely smooth, although it doesn't look like it here.